Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video to share with you as always, and I've got Lula. This is what it looks like. This is how it arrives in the post. It's got my address on the front there. So if you know everything there is to know about Lula, you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. But if you're interested in learning a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. Lula is an award-winning natural and organic beauty website that also run a monthly subscription box, and they ship internationally. The cost of the box is £19.95, and that includes shipping to the UK. For orders out of the UK, there's additional shipping, and they are only offered at 3 and 12 month subscriptions, but I believe the postage is quite low. You will find all information down in my description about all the costings. If you want to try a one-off box to see what it's like, you are able to do so for £19.95. The box you see me unboxing now is a January box. If you subscribe in January, your first box will be the February box. Also, if you subscribe in February, then your first box will be the March box. Unfortunately, because I know a lot of you like to know beforehand, especially if you're new to a subscription, you can't get to see the products inside the box before you subscribe, but they do have all their previous boxes online, so you'll be able to take a look on their website and see like photos of their past boxes to give you an idea of what products are inside the box. All the products are full size, and there's usually about 4, maybe 5 products in every box. All products contain no parabens, no SLS, and are all cruelty free. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and everything will be listed down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description, and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. What it looks like. So we got a little leaflet here, and it tells you about the products inside the box, and it also gives you a value as well. Well, it normally does. Where is it? Oh yeah, here. It says the total value of your January box is £35. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. And there you go. You're not going to be able to see much, but I'll just give you a sneak peek. Looks like more than 5. How much we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, we have got 5 products. Okay then, starting off with a hand cream. This is Oblepica. I think I've said that right. Oblepica Siberica Professional, and this is a hand cream. Nourishes and moisturizes skin, protects skin and keeps it soft. It's active organics, born in Siberia, made in Europe, and it's 75 mils here. Gorgeous packaging, really lovely packaging. And I've tried a few products from this range from a different subscription box, and I really love their BB cream. This range is really nice. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Just really, really pretty packaging. But let's see what it smells like and if it's any good. Oh, it smells like sherbet. Oh, that's so nice. Not too sickly sweet, you know, but oh, that is so nice. Yeah, it feels really lovely as well. It says Altea Oblepica is a century-old recipe from the beauty of hair and skin. This Siberian berry is the richest natural source of beta-carotene, rare omega-3, 6, 7 and 9 beneficial fatty acids, and precious flavonoids. And it contains wild harvested Siberian herbs, pure Siberian oils. It sounds so nice, doesn't it? Packaging is gorgeous, it feels nice, it smells nice. I really like this. I do really like it. It says the Altai Sea Blackthorn Cream Butter and Amaranth Oil provides daily nourishing. Cranberry seed oil with essential vitamins has a healing effect and perfectly protects the skin. For this item in the box. Next we've got a product by Balm, 100% organic, and this is a lavender face balm. Is this a cleansing balm, or is this like a sort of healing balm? It says take a small amount onto your fingertips and rub between fingers to create an oily texture. Apply to face and gently massage into skin to moisturize and condition. May also be used on dry areas such as your neck, elbows and heels. Oh, okay. So it's a moisturising balm. Oh, that'd be really nice nighttime balm actually. It's like a pure lavender scent there. That nails getting into it. Oh, it does melt. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. Oh, that is lovely. It's a super gentle. This lavender infused face balm has been carefully created with a combination of oils, including avocado oil to calm, balance and boost all skin types. It does sound really nice. Next we got a duo, and this is a shampoo and conditioner. This is by Ayumi, and this is a hibiscus and turmeric conditioner and shampoo. There's 50 mils here. This is a travel duo, and it says your hair will gain a new lease of life with a powerful blend of ingredients in the Ayumi hibiscus and turmeric shampoo and conditioner. Oh, okay. Can I tell you anything else about it here? A blend of 4 conditioning actives deeply nourish dry, difficult or damaged hair to restore longed for suppleness, control and shine. A blend of care in traditional Ayurvedic botanicals of shikakai, aritha, amala, oh my gosh, bringra, hibiscus, turmeric, papaya and java root help nurture dry hair, while coconut and pumpkin oils nourish and restore shine. It does sound really great, doesn't it? Even though I fail to pronounce some of those words there. We've got a shampoo and conditioner duo. Next we've got a little lip balm, and I've had one of these from this brand before, but not this one. This one looks lovely. It's a raspberry tinted lip balm by Hurraw. I think Hurraw? I think that's what it is. Although saying that, even though I have had it before, I've just got a plain one, and I think I did receive it in this subscription box. I can't remember the name. I just remember the packaging. The packaging is identical. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Let me try it there. Yeah, just a nice little tint there. I love tinted lip balms actually. I really do like them. Oh, look at my nose. It says all Hurrah lip balms are made from premium, all natural, vegan, raw, organic and fair trade ingredients. So there's that. Then I got something I have received before from this subscription. It's Moivert, and this is a liquid soap, lemongrass, 250 mils. I'm sure it's the same. If you are a long time Love Lula subscriber, please let me know. I can't remember. It looks identical. Definitely the same brand. It could well be a different type of soap. Just lemongrass. It's lovely. Lovely, lovely, or bergamot. Yeah, it's on. It says be the first to try the latest product. Oh, all right then. Haven't received this one. I've received something else from this brand before. Be the first to try the latest product from Moivert, a multi-purpose soap that's great for your hands and an all-rounder for your household. So there you go. So those are all the products. So I'll just gather them all up. Oh, I just noticed there's a little added extra. There's a little sample there. It is new. It's Madara Time Miracle Hydra Firm Concentrate Jelly. Great for her and him. Ooh. I like the sound of that. I only just noticed that. So I'll just gather everything up. So these are all the products inside this month's Love Lula. The cost of the box is £14.95, and that includes shipping to the UK or is additional shipping out of the UK. The value of the box comes in at just over £35, I think it said. And yeah, we've got some really nice products here. I am really chuffed with it. I absolutely love that hand cream. It smells gorgeous, and I love the packaging as well. This balm here for the face, that feels really gorgeous, and I can't wait to look into it a little bit more to see if I can use it as a nighttime balm. And yeah, lemongrass, hand wash, face wash, body wash. That is a multi-purpose wash for the household. So yeah, that'll come in handy for all of us. And yeah, we got a little freebie there, got a lip balm, and we've got a shampoo and conditioner duo. Yeah, I am really chuffed. I do think it's a really good box this month. I have actually stopped my Love Lula subscription. I am a little bit gutted about it, so I think it will be a subscription that I will dip in and out of. I do really, really like it, but I decided to try a different subscription box for a couple of months, so you never know, I might come back. What I really love about the Love Lula subscription is that you do tend to get different things that you would get in your like glossy box, you look fantastic, rocker box boxes, you know. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber to Love Lula? What do you think of the content? And yeah, or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.